Hello! So I've made some edits and some updates to my Rasterizer thing. It's basically the same kind of a thing. We have this list of names in a CSV file, and then we make them as PNG images and put them in this folder. So let's just run it. And there we go. We've made the images for around 6,000 names. And this is what they look like. I kind of did a complete rewrite of the system, and I think it was worthwhile because not only is it significantly faster, which is always nice, I think it also looks better. I think the font and the text just looks less squished, but we'll get to that. And the other cool thing here is I made a config file. So you can change a lot of the stuff about the system. You can change what CSV we load. You can change the font size of the X and the Y axis. You can change combined versus separate, where the separate makes each name a separate image. Another thing I've added is this little After Effects script, which animates the credits automatically, which is a pretty simple installation. All you do is go to your C drive, Program Files, Adobe After Effects of the version you're using. I'm using 2023. Support Files, Scripts, and then you just copy and paste it. I already have it in there. And then we open up After Effects. Let's make a new composition of the width and height that you want, and a duration around what you're looking for. It will automatically adjust it slightly depending on the images you use. And then all we do is go to File, Scripts, Rupour's Credit Creator, choose the number of columns you want, create credits, navigate to where the images are, click OK, and there you go, you got some credits. Pretty fun. Now you may have noticed that the credits take up a large portion of the frame here, and this is because each of them is a uniform scale on the X and the Y direction. So I think the best way of getting around that is to change, going back to this config, and changing the X font size to something like 36. And then if we run it again, you'll see that the images look slightly squashed, but I think the trade-off might be worth it, because if we delete this and redo the script real quick, go to the desktop, images, you'll see that it takes up significantly less of the frame, which might be useful. All we have to do now is just save it. I'm just doing it in the regular desktop folder. Once you have it saved, it's pretty simple to import into Premiere. All you have to do is drag and drop the file into Premiere, select the composition, and then drag and drop it onto your timeline. And that's how you get animated credits. Pretty neat.